This is First Alert Weather.
All right, it is 72 degrees early this morning, off to a very warm start in Topeka. In fact, pretty close to where we should be for an afternoon high this time of year. Windy already as well. South-southeast wind at 17 miles per hour. It is going to be windy today, and temperatures all starting out in the low to mid 70s as we head into this morning and warming up significantly by this afternoon. Well, last week we were stuck in March-April territory type high temperatures in the 50s and 60s. This week it's going to be much warmer. In fact, we're going to be in the 90s for today, much warmer than the temperatures that were near 80 degrees yesterday. I know many spots will be in the low to mid 90s today, but I would not be surprised if there were a few upper 90s as well. But taking a look at our dew point temperatures, they're already fairly muggy. This is what we look at as far as, especially in the summertime, the higher these dew points, the more humid it is. So once you really get above 65, that's when you start to feel the humidity, and certainly once you get above 70, it also gets very humid, and some spots may reach 70 today. But we are looking at relative humidity values really coming down, especially in north central Kansas, as a dry line starts to approach the area where dew points may be down in the 50s. So it could be close to the low teens in north central Kansas, still in the 30s, 40s, and even 50s farther to the east you go, with those dew point temperatures staying in the mid to upper 60s. So with that dry line in place, that will result in an elevated fire danger threat out there. Although the winds won't be quite as strong, where the humidity is expected to decrease compared to areas out to the south and the east where the humidity stays high. So bottom line is it's going to be hot, it's going to be humid, especially in our eastern communities, and it's going to be windy across much of northeast Kansas. As we head into tomorrow, almost a very similar weather pattern across the area, with the lower humidity values in north central Kansas, a little bit higher as you go farther to the east. So bottom line is we will have, of course, the fire danger threat a little bit on the higher side over the next couple of days. But the fire danger threat is absolute highest in western Kansas, where red flag warning has been issued. All the rain is up to our north right now, and we are dry here in the middle part of the country. I think we're dry until Thursday night. That's when we'll have a cold front moving through. That's when showers and thunderstorms return to the area. And on Friday itself, we'll keep an eye on maybe a few hit-miss showers and thunderstorms throughout the day. Obviously, this is still 5 days out, and we'll continue to fine-tune this, but as of right now, not expecting it to be an all-day washout for Friday, but certainly something that we'll keep an eye on. And Friday night into Saturday may also have a couple of rounds of showers and thunderstorms. Saturday night into Sunday does start to dry out for the second half of the weekend, being dry. So we'll keep an eye on a couple of rounds of rain Thursday night through Saturday night, and that's when temperatures are going to start to cool down as well. So low to mid 90s are expected through Thursday. Those lows generally in the upper 60s to mid 70s. So these lows aren't really going to bring much relief to the area. That's why you probably are going to be needing that AC on throughout much of the week, as it's not going to bring much relief at night to open up the windows, as temperatures will start to cool down a little bit by Friday into the weekend, where maybe you might want to turn the AC off and open up the windows by then, with temperatures near 80 for highs.